Welcome to the Fairfield Osborn Preserve in Sonoma County, California. This virtual field trip will explore an ephemeral pond ecosystem in an oak woodland during a rare low-latitude snowstorm. Oak trees are important organisms in California forests. Besides providing food sources like acorns, they also create habitat by providing structure for other plant species. Look around at the structure created by the intertwining oak branches overhead. These branches provide structure for the oak's leaves to reach more sunlight. But if you look closely, you'll notice that moss is taking advantage of the oak's woody structure by growing along the bark. This is an example of commensalistic symbiosis. In this relationship, the moss benefits while the oak is not affected. Since oaks are such an important species in this ecosystem, they interact with many types of organisms in different ways. When oak trees die, their woody material is decomposed by various species of fungi. This species, commonly known as turkey tail, is primarily a decomposer of dead material. However, under certain circumstances, fungi can decompose the tree before it is completely dead. This relationship is damaging to the tree and could result in harmful ecosystem changes over time, since many organisms rely on healthy oak trees for habitat. If you look to the left of the pond, you'll notice a species that relies on the oak for habitat. This newt is nestled under a rock and is using the oak leaves as insulation against the cold. Newts are extremely sensitive to environmental changes and seek habitats with adequate moisture, shade, and plant material. Since drought continues to affect California forests, newt habitat is becoming increasingly scarce. Fortunately, this year has had a lot of rain and snow, which is good for newt populations, but the rain outlook has not always been so optimistic. Rainfall patterns in California are changing as a result of climate change. As air warms in our atmosphere, the jet stream patterns become less consistent, resulting in less rainfall in certain areas and more in others. This results in disturbance conditions like drought and flooding. Ephemeral ponds also face another challenge: land use change. As humans develop forested land for agricultural or housing uses, the subtle indentations of hard-packed soil become disturbed, resulting in flat areas that disperse water instead of pooling it. While the impact of human development is undeniable, there are ways to sustainably and respectfully interact with delicate ecosystems. This stone fence to the right of the ephemeral pool is a reminder that this ecosystem has seen many uses under human management. It was built during an era in California history when ranching was a prominent practice in agriculture. Dairy production is still a part of Sonoma County's economy, and landmarks like this stone fence are a reminder that our impact on the environment will last for many generations. Although beautiful, delicate habitats such as this ephemeral pond are in jeopardy. While global environmental challenges like climate change threaten the resilience of ephemeral ponds everywhere, everyday human activities also change natural habitats. Agriculture and urban sprawl are two main contributors to habitat fragmentation, reducing necessary habitat for vulnerable species. We hope that this virtual field trip has helped you experience the beauty of the Fairfield Osborn Preserve and encouraged you to learn more about land stewardship, including ways you can become involved in conserving California's valuable resources. We also encourage you to visit the preserve for yourself. More information is available at cei.sonoma.edu, linked in the description below.